This is not magic, it is real science experiments. Why does rice leak through a strainer and corn kernels also leak, but the finest flour does not leak even a single bit? Pour a little white wine onto sand, sprinkle a mixture of white sugar and baking soda on it, light it, and you can summon the mysterious ancient pharaoh snake. No matter how you bend memory metal, as long as you put it into hot water, it will return to its original shape. This is the special property of memory metal. What should you do if the power goes out at home? Add rice into a cup, then pour in water until it is 80% full, then add a little vegetable oil, insert a cotton swab, light the cotton swab, and you will have a candle that can burn for 3 days and 3 nights. Wrap an iron wire around a key, connect both ends to the positive and negative ends of a battery, and you have made an electric hot knife. This is the law of resistance. Make a small hole in a beer bottle, tap the bottle a few times, the beer will spray out rapidly. Doesn't it look like a nuclear explosion? Fold an A4 paper repeatedly like in the video. Rub it back and forth on the opening of a soda can, and the can will open by itself. This is heat produced by friction. Insert an iron sheet and a copper sheet into a potato, connect them in series with a wire, and an electronic clock will light up. This is electron ionization. Take a white rose, divide the stem into 4 parts, insert them into different dyes, and you will get a beautiful, colorful rose. Wrap a bamboo stick and match heads with aluminum foil, pinch the top tightly, place it on the edge of a cup and light the match head, and you can simulate a rocket launch. Do you know how to extract fingerprints? Coat the inside of a cup with powder, place it upside down over the fingerprint, then heat it a little with a hairdryer, and you will see the fingerprint slowly appear. This is fingerprint extraction. Cover a ping pong ball with a wine glass, shake it clockwise, and it can move from the table into the glass. This uses centrifugal force. Like in the video, cut a line on a piece of chocolate, then move the pieces up and down like this, and surprisingly, 1 extra piece appears. Now you have endless chocolate. Put a peeled orange into water, the orange sinks to the bottom, but put an unpeeled orange into the water, the orange floats on the surface. This shows the importance of life jackets. Place a glass of water in front of an arrow, pour clear water into the glass, and you will see the arrow magically reverse direction. This is the principle of light refraction. Insert a pencil into a bag filled with water, keep inserting more pencils. Even after many pencils, the water will not leak out. Do you know why this happens? A piece of paper will burn when it touches fire, but if we put a glass inside it and heat it over fire, even if the paper turns black, it will not burn. This is heat conduction. Add some baking soda into a cup, then add white vinegar, and a mysterious gas will be produced. When the cup moves close to a burning candle, the flame is suddenly extinguished. This is the principle of a fire extinguisher. Use sandpaper to remove the paint from a soda can, hang the can over an empty cup using a wooden stick, pour drain cleaner into the empty cup, wait for a while and take it out, and you will find the can becomes transparent. Break a matchstick in half, place 5 of them shoulder to shoulder, drop some water in the center, and you will see the matchsticks slowly close into a star shape. This is the surface tension of water. Pour half a bottle of water into a small bottle, cover the bottle opening with your finger, turn the bottle upside down into water, tighten the cap, and by squeezing the bottle, you can control it to float up or sink down. Do you know what principle this uses? Attach a magnet to the bottom of a battery, place a copper coil on the positive end. This is the power that makes electric vehicle wheels rotate. Attach magnets to both ends of a battery, place it into a closed copper coil. The battery will spin rapidly inside the coil. This is the operating principle of an electromagnetic train. Pour boiling hot water into a bottle, close the bottle cap, then turn the bottle upside down, place an ice cube on the bottom, and the water inside starts to boil. This is caused by air pressure difference. Pick a leaf, apply ink to the tail of the leaf, put it into water, and the leaf moves across the water like a speedboat. This is the water transferring property of ink. Letting children play virtual phone games is not as good as letting them do these real-life experiments. The experiment process not only stimulates children's curiosity and desire to explore, but also allows them to directly experience physical and chemical phenomena.